19th century by Alejandro Reyes y de Rosales, and both by Juan Isidro de Gerardo, a Spanish merchant in 1863. Four generations of the Gerardo family lived in this house, including Juan Gerardo, first Filipino Bishop of Cebu, 1910-1932, acquired in 1980 by the Ramon Abetes Foundation Incorporated. It was restored and later opened as a public museum. Casa Gerardo has been declared a National Historical Landmark by virtue of National Historical Institute Board Resolution Number 4 dated September 24, 1991.